Morning. I'm out in sunny Peak District again, and this time not alone, not with Josh. I'll link his video in the description. So it's nice to be out. Don't know where I'm going. Josh has planned it all, so following someone else for once. And this is the first camp I've done with someone else, so that's quite nice. Get much better than this. Hopefully though we can find somewhere out of the wind.
Freezing, isn't it?
I can't feel my hands. My hands are gone numb. So I'm out in the NightCat 2-man backpacking tent tonight. First time out in this. Finally got a new pillow. And the usual Softy Elite 3 sleeping bag. Oh, comfiest bag I've ever had. Cold. I think I might make a drink. 2.4 degrees. It's a bit chilly. I'm on my own for once. So Josh has his own YouTube channel as well. I'll link to that below. So make sure you go and check out his channel as well. Right. First I need to make a cup of tea. So, gone with the Speedster stove again. Favourite stove, this. So yeah, I'm out testing this tent out for the first time, which was very kindly gifted to me from NightCat. So far, it's been brilliant. This is a budget wild camping tent. I think it's still around about 83 pounds, something like that. You get a lot of tent for your money. The wind tonight, it's been like a constant, pretty much about 20 mile an hour wind. It's holding up pretty well, pretty sturdy. For 80 odd quid and you're starting out camping, this is brilliant. If you've not seen my other video, I did a first look video of this, so go and check that one out. I was looking for a tent that was plenty of space for me to get changed and move around and do stuff. And this is perfect. I was a bit worried about it being a bit cold in here because it's like a full mesh, but it's not too bad. But yeah, it's been ages since I was last out camping, so it's just amazing to get out again and test out some of my new kit that I got stuff for my birthday and for Christmas, which I hadn't been able to use. So testing out testing out my Motorola satellite communicator. First time I've took it camping. I've used it a few times hiking and stuff like that, but that's been brilliant just because where we are now, got no signal, but I can still message home. Got a new pillow, Trekology pillow. Tested out my new rucksack, treated myself to. So this is the Osprey Atmos AGLT 65. Bit of a mouthful. Gotta say, most comfortable pack I've ever used. Now, I was carrying all kinds of stuff today, and I'm having to carry extra water. So my pack today was 16 kilos, which is it's not exactly light. It didn't feel like 16. Pasta bolognese for the tea tonight. It's always good, this one. I didn't even touch the sides of that. It's delicious. See what else I've got. Crisps. Club. Reese's peanut butter. So cold. Made myself a water bottle. Just put the water in your Nalgene, and then I just put it in your sock, like a spur sock. That's so nice. So nice with this, I think it's the UCO candle. I think I'm going to see a sunrise this morning. Well, that was a wild and blustery night. Tent's held up well though. It was really windy last night and the tent was rock solid. I'm well impressed with it. I've not heard Josh moving around yet, but it's still quite early. Right. See you in a minute. away now, I think. Impressed with the NightCat backpacking tent. There's about 20-mile winds at the moment, gusts of about 26, and it's pretty rock solid. That's us all packed up, as usual. Leave no trace. Time to get off the hills. Well, I'm now back at the car now, so thanks for watching, and I'll link to Josh's YouTube in the description, so make sure you go check out his channel as well. It's been a great camp, been nice having someone else to chat to on the hike. I'll see you in the next one.